Welcome to SwiftHome Finds. After deep diving into the latest trends and analyzing dozens of expert culinary reviews, we've curated a list of the most essential tools to transform your home. Stick around until the end because our final two picks are absolute game changers that will fundamentally change how you cook. All product links are available in the description below. Let's get started. Zishion Large Capacity Egg Organizer. Say goodbye to cluttered egg cartons. This 3-tier stackable tower holds up to 60 eggs in a clear, BPA-free housing. The standout feature is the built-in time scale on the frame, allowing you to track purchase dates and ensure peak freshness at a glance. Automatic Cordless Pan Stirrer. Multitask like a pro. This battery-operated stirrer features 3 speed settings and heat-resistant nylon legs that are safe for all pan surfaces. It glides across the bottom of your pot, keeping sauces, gravies, and porridges moving so you can focus on the rest of your meal. KitchenMaMo One-Touch Jar Opener, the ultimate tool for accessibility. Designed with a high-torque motor and adjustable jaws, it automatically locks onto any lid, from factory-sealed jars to small bottles, and twists them open hands-free. It's a must-have for seniors or anyone dealing with arthritis. Vapoka Rollable Electric Warming Tray. Hosting a dinner party has never been easier. This tray uses flexible silicone that heats up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit across its entire surface. With 7 adjustable temperature levels and an automatic shutoff for safety, it keeps multiple dishes warm and then rolls up to save 60% more storage space than traditional warming trays. Kawu Smart Egg Cooker and Yogurt Maker. This is far more than a simple boiler. It offers 6 specialized programs, including hot spring eggs and steamed custards. The digital microcomputer control and 24-hour reservation timer allow you to wake up to perfectly cooked eggs or fresh, healthy yogurt without lifting a finger. Wiiwi High-Pressure Glass Rinser. Bring industrial-grade cleaning to your kitchen sink. Made from heavy-duty 304 stainless steel, it uses a 10-orifice water outlet and a 360-degree rotating spout. It blasts away stubborn residue from glasses, baby bottles, and coffee mugs in seconds, reaching where your sponge can't. AutoCook Electric Hot Pot. The perfect solution for small kitchens or travelers. This 2.5-liter pot features a unique honeycomb non-stick coating that's ideal for searing steaks or simmering ramen without food sticking. With dual power modes and a 360-degree recessed heating element, it offers stovetop performance in a portable format. Vacant Stainless Steel Coffee Canister. Keep your beans in peak condition. This vault uses a one-way CO2 release valve to vent harmful gases while blocking oxygen. The rotating date tracker on the lid lets you log the roasting or purchase date, ensuring every cup of coffee is as fresh as the first. Joy Intelligent Electric Dough Maker, the baker's best friend. This 6.6-quart powerhouse can knead up to 5 pounds of dough in just 15 minutes. It features a specialized ferment function that maintains the perfect temperature for proofing, giving you consistent bakery-quality bread and pizza crusts every time. Chef Sophie Granite Mortar and Pestle. Unlock the true aroma of your ingredients. Hand-carved from unpolished heavy granite, this set provides the ideal friction for crushing herbs and extracting essential oils. Its 2-cup capacity is perfect for creating authentic pesto, spice blends, or the ultimate guacamole. OXO Good Grips Manual Food Chopper. Efficiency in every press. The stainless steel blade rotates with every downward stroke, ensuring an even, uniform chop for onions, nuts, and herbs. It includes a clear container with measurement markings and a lid, so you can chop and store in one step. Armiator Wireless Meat Thermometer. Master the grill from your living room. This smart probe features Bluetooth connectivity with a massive 229-foot range. It's built to withstand extreme heat up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, and the dedicated app provides real-time alerts and temperature graphs for restaurant-quality results every time. Amaraku Japanese Stainless Steel Knife Set. Precision meets durability. Crafted from high-carbon Japanese steel, these knives are cryogenically treated for superior edge retention. The ergonomic anti-slip handles provide a balanced grip, while the included hardwood block adds a touch of modern elegance to your countertop. Red Chef Non-Toxic Ceramic Frying Pan. Cook with total peace of mind. This pan features a triple-layer ceramic coating that is 100% free from PFAS and PFOA. Its forged aluminum base ensures rapid, hotspot-free heating, allowing you to cook delicate eggs or sear proteins with almost no oil. Rorants stainless steel nesting bowls, professional prep made easy. These bowls feature weighted silicone bottoms to prevent sliding while you whisk. The interiors include etched measurement markings, and the airtight BPA-free lids make them perfect for marinating or long-term food storage. Sturmax Digital Multi-Cooker, true hands-free cooking. The Sturmax features an automatic 360-degree stirring paddle that prevents sticking and ensures even heat distribution. Its 7.5 quart capacity and 9 programmable presets, including a unique sear to simmer mode, make it the ultimate tool for stews, risottos, and slow-cooked meals. Elite Gourmet Long Slot Digital Toaster, a smarter way to start your day. The extra-long, wide slots easily accommodate artisan sourdough, bagels, or 4 standard slices. It features a digital LED display with 6 browning levels and a built-in warming rack to reheat croissants and pastries without over-toasting. OXO Good Grips Twisting Jar Opener, the solution for the toughest lids. It features sharp stainless steel teeth that grip any lid size with a simple twist. The included silicone base pad provides extra leverage by keeping the jar steady on your counter, making it the most comfortable and effective manual opener on the market. Chef Preserve Rechargeable Vacuum Sealer. Extend the life of your groceries by up to 5 times. This ultra-portable device creates an airtight seal in under 5 seconds. It works with reusable, BPA-free bags that are safe for sous vide cooking, freezing, and microwaving, helping you save money and reduce food waste. KitchenDow Professional Silicone Tongs. Durability meets versatility. Constructed from thick 430 stainless steel with food-grade silicone heads, these tongs are heat-resistant up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. They feature a smooth pole locking mechanism and are designed to provide a secure grip on heavy meats without scratching your non-stick cookware. Peleg Design Egguins Egg Holder. Whimsical design meets practical safety. This 6-egg holder allows you to lower eggs into boiling water and serve them directly to the table in a group of adorable penguins. The cool touch handle ensures you never burn your fingers, and it doubles as a space-saving fridge organizer. Sakamosh Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder. Elevate your seasoning with this USB-C rechargeable set. It features 6 adjustable coarseness levels and a high-torque motor for consistent grinding. The integrated LED light ensures precision seasoning even in low-light dinner settings, all with a simple one-handed button press. Smurly Non-Slip Cutting Board Set. Durable, hygienic, and incredibly organized, this set of 3 boards features deep juice grooves to catch liquids and non-slip handles for stability. They come with a dedicated slim profile stand, ensuring your boards air dry perfectly and take up minimal counter space. Crock-Pot Electric Lunch Pot. This is a revolution for anyone who eats on the go. More than just a container, it's a personal slow warmer that gently heats your meal to the perfect temperature by lunchtime. It eliminates the need for a microwave, preserving the texture and flavor of your food, and features a spill-proof lid for worry-free commuting. NutriBullet EveryGrain Smart Cooker. Mastering grains has never been this simple. This cooker features 5 specialized programs for everything from brown rice to exotic grains like farro and amaranth. Its 10-cup capacity and included steaming basket allow you to cook a full, balanced meal simultaneously, ensuring perfectly fluffy results every single time.